Get you the latest details of the investigation into the deadly blast. We have Nivriti Mohan now joining us live from the LNJP hospital, where the victims of the blast, those who have been injured in the blast, have been receiving treatment. And Nivriti has been speaking to many of the family members of those who were caught in this blast. Nivriti, talk to us. What is the latest from the LNJP hospital?
Krishna, there was a crowd outside LNJP hospital's mortuary some time ago, but now as around 8 bodies have already been identified and 7 of them have been handed over to the relatives, and one body is the latest that has been identified is of Jumman, an e-rickshaw driver. His family is also waiting here, and the body will be handed over soon, in a few minutes, to them as well. So right now you can see the situation outside the mortuary. There are no families outside the mortuary here right now, but an hour ago or half an hour ago, you could see families out here waiting for bodies of their loved ones. As far as we have come to know about the names who have been identified is Amar Kataria, Ashok Kumar, Lokesh, Mohsin, Dinesh Mishra, Pankaj Saini, Noman Ansari, and an e-rickshaw driver, Jumman. These are the bodies that have been identified. There are a number of injured people who are still there inside the LNJP hospital. The exact number could not be found out, but it is being told from sources inside the LNJP hospital that around 25 people are there who were injured, and we have come to know that there are bodies still inside the mortuary. They are to be identified yet, but because of the condition of the bodies, they could not be identified. And what will be the procedure further to identify this body? It will be taken care by the authorities. If DNA testing is necessary, then that will be done. But as of now, the entire situation here is that 8 bodies have been identified, 7 have been handed over to the families, 1 is still here, and that will also be handed over to the relatives of the families. But while covering all these stories here outside mortuary of LNJP hospital, we could experience the pain that was there in the hearts and minds of the families who have come here to collect the remains of their
Right,
loved one.
right,
One, one of them was um the body of
right.
Jumman, whose only torso was remaining here, and the relatives had to
Yeah.
identify the body from the torso because there was no head, there were no legs, only hands and clothes were used
Yeah.
to identify the body. So this is the situation outside LNJP hospital.